We've been in a sell signal for about a month below 423.54, anticipating over the next couple of months 331.25 and climbing gradually. So it's not really the number 331.25, it is that formation we expect. And I don't see this market turning a reversing course as we move through April, May, unless we were to close not only back above 423.54, but also above this descending channel top at 430.22, then anticipating within 3 to 5 months, the 537, basically a 6-year rising channel top would be anticipated. On the way up, there is also an element in the 490. So if we close above 423.54, and on a daily chart, it's 429.52, but I really like waiting for that settlement above the weekly level at 430.22, then anticipating upward continuation over the following month or two to 497.78. Within 3 to 5 months, I would expect this 537, even 6-year channel top where we actually could place an annual high. So bottom line, we are heavy below 423.54. On the way down, we have had this 390.12, 3/8 Fibonacci from the April low of last year, and it can continue to contain daily selling pressures. At some point, though, given what we've already said, we are expecting a violation of 390.12, and if we do break 390.12 today, 382.78 in reach, that is the low area over the last few months, and if we close today below 390.12, we have a 3 to 5 day sell signal down to 374.90. 374.90 is that longer-term channel structure on the weekly chart that, while it has been violated over the last year and a half, has performed pretty well, and I do think it still deserves session containment status as a level that can contain daily selling pressures, and if settled below, does indeed then indicate this descending channel bottom at 355.98. Holding below 423.54, it is B short if you are 2 to 3 month position player, anticipating 331.25, and on the way down, we do have 356.54, which is a 50% downside retracement. It also lines up well with a series of highs that goes back to the spring of 25. And so this is an area, 354.54, that coincides pretty well, increasingly so actually, with this descending channel bottom at 355.98. By the end of April, we should see 356.54, and by the end of May, 331.25, where we could bottom out quite possibly through the rest of the year. 407.82, intraday resistance, holding above 390.12, will keep it in reach. It can contain intraday buying pressures, and if settled above, does indeed present a 3 to 5 day swing trade to the upside, a buy signal that should then yield the 420s, 423.54. Profits can be taken on a 3 to 5 day swing trade long position, and one could play the short side from here, anticipating then bearish rotation into the 330s over the following 2 months. Please click like, share, subscribe.
Want more wins in your portfolio? Get Daily SPY and Triple Q analysis that gives you a clear plan for the market's next move, plus 2 high probability stock picks each week. Start trading with a plan at wickedstocks.com.